Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, Motivational English Learning. If you're interested in getting more tips and tricks about speaking English and sharpen your English writing skills, please consider to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for not missing any future video. Let's start our today's class. Today, let's look at 5 of the most useful conjunctions: and, but, or, so, because. Let me let you know that I prepared this lesson today because a member of our Facebook group requested. So, if you have a request, please feel free to let me know. First, let's see what is a conjunction. A conjunction is a word used to connect other words, phrases, and clauses together. Common conjunctions: and, but, or, so, because. And equals like also, in addition to. And is used when the statements are similar. Example: he is 10 and she is 12. My mom and dad are teachers. Tim usually practices the piano and plays football at weekend. But, like, however, despite this, but is used to connect two opposite ideas. Examples: I love ice cream, but he loves apples. It's sunny and hot, but I like it. She is 40 years old, but she looks much younger than her real age. Or is used to express choices. Examples: do you like playing football or badminton? Would you like tea or juice? Who's taller, Michael or Tom? So is used to link between causes, reason, and results. Example: he's hungry, so he gets some food. The weather isn't very nice today, so we don't go camping. He lost the key, so he couldn't get into his room. Because is used to give reasons. Examples: she doesn't go to school because she's sick. Because it rains, I wear a raincoat. Kate was happy because she won the competition. So, thank you very much for watching our video till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it. Goodbye.